Mga kababayan, Tatay Digong humarap na po sa ICC Court. Panoorin po natin.
Your Honor. I am Rodrigo Roa Duterte. That's my
Diyan ka pa.
first middle name is Roa. His surname is Duterte.
Mukhang hindi po okay si Tatay Digong, mga kababayan, kasi po yung boses po niya.
Merci beaucoup.
Thank you very much. What is your date of birth?
Ano po to, mga kababayan? Yung hukom po, hindi marunong mag-English? Kailangan po mag-translate? Yan po ba ang maghahatol sa ating Tatay Digong, mga kababayan?
Again, ma'am.
Can we request that the question be repeated? I don't think he heard it. Thank you.
Repetition from the English booth. What is your date of birth? Yes, thank you very much, Counsel. I was asking quite simply of Mr. Duterte what his full names were, and then I subsequently asked him what his date of birth was and what his place of birth is. Is that all?
Mas maintindihan ka sana kung nag-i-English ka. Pero hindi ho eh. Di ba ho? Ayan ho ba ang maghahatol sa ating Pangulong Duterte? Paano ka ho maintindihan? Paano ho itong hukom na po to na maghahatol sa ating Tatay Digong? Ano po masasabi nyo dito, mga kababayan? Mag-comment lang ho kayo.
Right, Counsel?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yep. Of course, I do. My birth month and day is March 28, 1945. I was born in the province of Leyte in the Philippines.
Yan po, mga kababayan, mukhang hindi po maayos ang kalagayan ni Tatay Digong. Sana po ipagdasal po natin siya. Ano po masasabi nyo dito, mga kababayan? Yung maghahatos po sa kanya ay hindi po marunong mag-English.